Hello and welcome to the Programming Exercises series. For today's lecture, we have prepared a very interesting exercise. It is a simple function, but it reveals several important concepts. Here it is. Implement a function called getMiddle that takes a word as input. Your job is to return the middle character of the word. If the word's length is odd, return the middle character. If the word's length is even, return the middle two characters. Okay, I think the task is clear. Let's start by determining the word length. For this, we will use the length property. Length is a property of the string class that returns the length of the given string. If the word length is 0, then there is no need to perform any computation. We will simply return an empty string. Now, let's try to find the middle of our word. It's interesting that we'll be using mathematics with integers in programming. For example, when we divide 5 by 2, the result will be 2. Similarly, when we divide 4 by 2, we still get 2. After that, we will determine if the word has an odd or even length. To do that, we will use the remainder operator. The remainder operator calculates the remainder after division. Imagine you have a pile of 12 candies, and you want to share them equally among 5 friends. You want to know how many candies each friend will get. That is division. But if the question is, divide 12 candies among 5 friends and calculate the remainder, that is exactly what the remainder operator does. So, if our number is even, we will need to return 2 characters. For that, we are going to use the substring method. The substring method is a handy tool. It allows us to say, cut me a substring starting at the nth character with a length of x. Since positions in arrays start from 0, we need to adjust accordingly. If the length is not even, it must be odd, and we will return only 1 character. And there you have it. That's the breakdown of the code, explaining each command and concept used in the solution. By listening to this explanation, you can passively learn the C# language. If you enjoyed this video and would like to receive more programming-related content, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated with our future lectures and tutorials.